Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATVMC, giving you a closer look at the MX Flight Vest from Ogio. All right, today we're giving you a closer look at the MX Flight Vest coming from Ogio. So for all you off-road, you enduro riders, even dual sport adventure, if you're looking for a way that you can carry extra tools, accessories, snacks, you name it, but you also want to combine that with a hydration system, well, this would be a really good route to take. So in this video, we'll talk about fitment of the vest, then we'll show you all the pockets, everything that comes with this, so you know exactly what you're getting. Now, one cool thing about this vest is it is an apparel item. And now it has adjustability, so when you get it, you're gonna be able to adjust it. It is a one size fits all, but remember, it is that apparel item, so if you get it, you're not quite happy with the sizing or the fitment, send it back to us in brand new unused condition. We give you free shipping both ways on your first exchange. So with the MX Flight Vest, so I've got Ashton here wearing it, he's helping us out. So Ashton's about my height, so about 5'7", about 155 pounds. He's got about a 39, 40-inch chest. So you can see how this fits him. Now, like I said earlier, you've got a lot of adjustability. So you look here in the front, you've got 3 buckles. All of these have nice heavy-duty nylon straps. So you can see Ashton's actually got it cinched all the way down. But if you were thicker, you had a bigger chest, definitely plenty of adjustment that you can get that to open up. Also, if Ashton faces to the side for me, lift up the right arm, you're gonna notice too that you got 2 more nylon straps here on each side. So again, lots of adjustability. You can adjust the width of it. So you really shouldn't have any issues when it comes to fitting a wide variety of body sizes and different body types. Go ahead and put that down. Face back to the front. So the way they construct the vest is they use a 420D nylon, and a 600 denier polyester. And also you can see that you are gonna have some venting in certain locations. That's kind of one of the nice perks about having a vest like this. Okay, we'll talk about the hydration system in a moment, but you see a lot of off-road riders, enduro, dual sport adventure riders that will wear a full-size jacket. That's gonna have a lot of pockets to put their tools and accessories, but that can be pretty warm, especially if you're doing some aggressive riding those hot summer days. So having a vest is gonna give you that versatility. You can put all your tools in there, accessories, but it's gonna do a lot better job of venting. You can see it is designed to go over top the jersey. So pockets, let's talk about them because the MX Flight Vest has a lot. Actually, it has 11 pockets, so plenty of places to store your items. So we'll start on Ashton's right, and then we'll work our way over to the left, and then we'll show you the back. So first big pocket is up here on the upper right chest. Now, my only nitpick with this vest is that this buckle, you can't actually undo the zipper all the way without getting that buckle. I guess you could, the buckle is just kind of in the way. It's not a huge deal, but you do have plenty of room in this pocket. So we'll do that back up. Working our way down, you can see you've got some elastic webbing here. So other than the 11 pockets, if you somehow manage to have more than what you can pack inside the pockets, you do have some extra security points. You got that there. You can see on the outside, or this big pocket down here at the bottom, unzip this and show it to you. So just a nice big pocket. Okay, you're not gonna have any webbing on the inside, so very simple. But you are gonna notice, like I said earlier, lots of other attachment points. So you've got this nylon moly webbing here. You've also got these little eyelets that's gonna add for durability. You're also gonna notice you've got a D-ring here. You also have one here on the upper left as well. So those are the 2 pockets on the right side. Working your way over to the left, you've got 2 smaller pockets up here on the top. So pretty simple, very basic. I do wish that one of these was fleece lined, so for a cell phone, a GPS, or some sort of accessory like that. I wish they did have one fleece lined pocket, but it does not. But you've got those 2 smaller pockets here, and then down here at the bottom, again, another nice big pocket. Open this one up and show you. Gonna be very similar to that one we just showed you on the right. So pretty basic, no webbing on the inside. But then on the outside of that pocket, you've got 3 more little ones. You got 1, 2, 3 pockets here on the outside. These are just your basic little pockets. Maybe you have a little flashlight you want to put in there, some fuses, whatever it might be, just 3 little storage areas there. Okay, Ashton, face the back for me. So in the back, you got this nice big mesh panel up at the top, again, for breathability. So for hot weather riding, that's gonna be good. You can see your sip tube that is going into the hydration pouch, which does have the hydration bladder included. And if you are wondering how much water that will hold, they say 70 ounces will fit in their hydration bladder. Now, when we take a look at the hydration bladder, you will notice, I'm a big fan of this, you're gonna have a roll top hydration bladder, and then you're gonna have this slide that actually just slides right on, that's gonna hold it. In my opinion, that's a much better system than having a hydration bladder that just has a screw-on cap. So I'm a big fan of that. But aside from that, you've got 3 more pockets on the back. You've got these big pockets here on each side. Now, what's nice about these, if I actually open that up, face just a little bit towards me, Ashton, perfect. If we open that up and look at the inside, you can see if you have any wrenches, maybe some tire irons, this is gonna be a great location for those because this pocket is so tall, so a tire iron should fit pretty easily. But it is nice that they do have these little fingers in here, these little extra pockets, just to keep those items organized and keep them from rattling around. And you're gonna notice, okay, face straight back again, is you're gonna have this pocket in the center. You got a buckle strap, okay? You can see how deep that is. So plenty of room, plenty of storage there. And lastly, Ashton, face away from me, please. You're gonna have this pocket on the right, which again is gonna be similar to one on the left, same size, but you're gonna notice you're not gonna have those extra little pockets to keep the tools organized. So maybe a jersey, some extra gear could go in that pocket. All right, face back to the front. So there it is. That is the MX Flight Vest coming from Ogio. Again, for you dual sport adventure riders, off-road, enduro, whatever it might be, this is a great route to take if you want to have more accessories, more tools, keep them on your person versus on the bike, but also remember you're incorporating that with a hydration system. If you guys have any questions about this, leave your comments below to pick yours up. You can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Orders over $75 ship free. We do have other vests that we offer as well, so make sure to check those out. Remember guys, click subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more like it because we've got a lot coming down the pipe. I'm Chase the Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.